You might need a random set of data to practice your Excel skills such as charts, pivot tables, etc. And in this video, let's learn how to create a random data set like this using XLOOKUP and a function called RANDBETWEEN. So let's get started. So first, let's look at the data we have. It's about the car sales for the year 2021. We have the date, the vehicle category, the vehicle model, sales, vehicle condition, and the region in which the vehicle was sold. So I'm going to create a new sheet to duplicate this data set. So first I'm going to copy and paste these labels here. And I'm going to write a function to generate a random date, which will be the RANDBETWEEN function. So I'm going to type date here. The starting date will be 2021, January 1st. And the end date will be 2021 December 31st. Close brackets, and then changes to a date format. And if I drag this down, you can create random dates. So the next step is to populate these three columns on a random basis. So in the source data tab, I already have the components typed up, which I want to be repeated on a random basis. And also I have serial numbers in front of them. So I'm going to use XLOOKUP for this. So I'm going to type XLOOKUP, and for the lookup value, I'm going to generate a random number between 1 and 9. So I'm going to type RANDBETWEEN 1 and 9, and the lookup array will be this, and the return array will be these three columns. And close the bracket. And with one XLOOKUP function, I have generated a random component to populate these three columns. I'm going to drag this down to create a random set of data. So I'm going to use the same technique to populate the vehicle condition and the region as well. So I'm going to go to the source data tab, and the lookup value will be a random number between 1 and 2. The lookup array will be this, and the return array will be this. Close bracket and drag this down. And for the region, and repeat the process. XLOOKUP. So a random number between 1 and 5. Lookup array will be this, and the return array will be this. I'm going to drag this down again. So that's how you can create a random data set using just two functions.